Hi Leslie, my name is Christian Rinna with RinGen SEO and Digital Marketing. We are a family-owned digital marketing company, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your site are exclusive to you, so you don't have to play the game of competing with multiple agents for the same leads, or whoever paid the most money to Zillow this month gets the best leads. They're your leads because it's your site. Now I have your Facebook page pulled up here, and I would like to say that I'm happy to see that you show on your Facebook page that you're a realtor. Believe it or not, a lot of realtors don't have the fact that they are a realtor on their Facebook, and you do. So obviously you understand that. Couple things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is going to be content. I have your domain pulled up here, sellingcentralfloridahomes.com. Obviously, you had some foresight in the past when you got this domain. It is a very good domain name. Now, I hope that the website is actually working for you as well. Now, we have it pulled up. First thing is content. Content is king. Google loves content. The more you have, the better. But content isn't just the words on your site. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. So the thing to keep in mind is, especially in real estate, with the IDX feed and all your listing photos, you want to make sure your photos are saved the right way. A lot of times when we upload photos to a computer, the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. A lot of times it'll consist of random letters and numbers, or pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, okay? We want to make sure that our photos are not saved that way. And it even goes down to the size that you save your photos as. So do your homework and make sure you're saving your photos the right way. I went through your site, and the ones that I saw were not saved properly. And then as far as the actual words go, we want to see 750 to 1,500 words minimum on any page that you're trying to rank. So this is your main page, and I would say potentially less than 200. I didn't count this, but less than 200. So you're going to want to have 750 minimum on any page you're trying to rank. And then again, make sure you save those photos the right way, and you'll be well on your way to helping this site rank. Now, next is citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number can be found in various directories. These directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of these directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. This is what we call a map pack. So, as you can see, I typed in Orlando Realtors. We have Orlando Regional Realtor Association, Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and then we have White Chart Realtors, Hallmark Properties. Based on what I'm seeing, it looks as though you have your own brokerage, and if you don't, that's fine. But obviously you want to be in the top 3. Now, if you can't be in the top 3, you want to be on the first page, okay? And so here's some individual agents who are on the top page. You got Margaret Steiner, you have Ann Rogers, Brigida Lopez, you have all sorts. So you definitely want to be on the first page. You are not on the first page. I looked, I didn't find a Google My Business page, so if you do have one, I couldn't find it. Now, that's not a good sign, considering I'm on a computer right now trying to find it. So if you have a client who doesn't know you, there's a good chance they are definitely not going to find you. So if you do have one, I apologize, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you this one. So Brigida Lopez, Orlando Realtor, La Rosa Realtor, Orlando. Okay, this is a Google My Business page. She is on the first page. Here's a couple things I want to point out. First of all, this is what it's going to look like. And then if you do work out of your home and you have a problem showing your address here, then what you can actually do is just have the address hidden, so there is no address in the address box, okay? Reviews, okay? So everybody knows the importance of reviews. Now, we recommend minimum 25. Obviously, Brigida has 69, but you're going to want to have minimum 25. So get your Google My Business, get it going, get yourself some citations, as many as you can, and start pushing those reviews ASAP. 25 reviews minimum, but obviously some things take time. And then again, back to those photos. So you're going to have an opportunity to upload your own photos. You are going to want to upload minimum 10. So 10 is the magic number when it comes to the photos on your Google My Business page or more. And you want to make sure that all your photos are saved, like I said, the right way. So Brigida has more than 10. You're going to want at least 10. You're going to want to make sure they're saved the right way and those reviews. So just keep in mind, get yourself a Google My Business page, 10 photos, 25 reviews or more, 10 photos or more. Those are the magic numbers. So hope that helps. And then the last but not least is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your business domain can actually be found. So anywhere that sellingcentralfloridahomes.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. You actually have 517 backlinks from 8 referring domains. But yet, if you notice, your domain rating is a 0, which is out of 100. And then you have no keywords that you're ranking for organically, and you're getting no organic traffic. What that leads me to believe is that this site is not working for you. It's just there. Yeah, I have it. You can go to my site, sellingcentralfloridahomes.com, but at that point, you already made the sale. So it's not organic. Nobody found it on their own, right? That's what you want. You want people that are looking for homes in Orlando area to come across your site. That's what you want. You want them to call you from it. And the easier that they can do that, obviously the better. So backlinks are not all created equal. We want our backlinks to be coming from sites that are relevant to the trade and not spammy. So obviously of your 517 backlinks, there's definitely some you don't want. So if there's any that are coming from spammy sites, or if they're not relative to the real estate industry, you need to get rid of them. Okay, so this is an example where quantity is definitely not above quality, okay? And I don't know that that's ever the case. So either way, I hope this helps. Backlinks, 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 and then citations for your Google My Business page, 10 photos, 25 reviews, and then content, 750 to 1,500 words. So hope that helps. I hope this video finds you well, Lesley. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your website, into your life, to bring you more leads, and in turn money and freedom. And so if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.